Are you struggling to make money online? Then don't worry. I'm going to show you an AI tool that can help you start make money. You don't need to have design skills or no expensive software. This AI tool will do all the hard work for you. And what if I told you this AI tool is not only easy to use but also 100% free right now? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool called Napkin AI and how you can start earning money today. So what exactly is Napkin? In simple terms, it's an AI tool for creating graphics from text prompt. Whether you want to turn plain text into diagrams, flowcharts, or visually engaging presentations, Napkin does it all in just a few clicks. No need for downloads and complicated software setups. It's available online and the best part is free right now thanks to its beta program. This means you can unlock unlimited visuals and access the professional plan for free if you create your account during the beta program. To create an account on Napkin, simply click on the Get Napkin AI Free button and choose any of this option to make an account. After this, answer all these questions, and once you do that, your interface will look like this. From here, simply click on create my first napkin. Now you need to add text here. You can add text by yourself or you can also use Napkin AI to generate content for you. I'm going to use ChatGPT and write a prompt, something like write Microsoft Windows history in bullet points, keep it short. Once ChatGPT has generated content, I'm going to select some of it and copy it. And then let's go back to Napkin AI and paste the content we have copied. Now all we have to do is click on this icon and let the Napkin AI do its magic. Once Napkin AI understands this content, it's going to generate this flowchart for us. This flowchart is very basic with only text and some lines. But if you want, you can also choose any style from here. So let's try some designs. I think this one is very good. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can also change its font. There are many fonts options available for you to change. You can also change its color by clicking here if you want. You can even change its background. So there are many options for you to customization. Feel free to explore them. Once your graphic is ready, exporting it is simple. You can download it as PNG, SVG or even PDF depending on what you need. You can also switch between light and dark theme or choose to keep or remove the background. Perfect for presentations or YouTube thumbnails. Now here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just a cool tool, it's also an money making opportunity. Freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork charge anywhere between $5 to $125 per graphic or infographic. With Napkin, you can create similar designs in minutes and offer this service online without needing advanced design skills. You could even start by offering your services locally to businesses or content creators, then expand online. Once you build a portfolio, it becomes easier to attract clients willing to pay for your fast and professional looking graphics. Now I know what are you thinking. Can't ChatGPT do the same? Yes, it can, but there is a catch. ChatGPT's advanced feature require a paid subscription. Napkin, on other hand, offer the same capabilities for free, at least while it's in beta. So if you hop on this opportunity now, you will have unlimited access to all premium features for completely free. This versatility makes Napkin AI perfect for content creators, freelancers, and business owners who want high quality graphics without paying a fortune on design software. To wrap things up, Napkin AI is not just a tool, it's an opportunity. People are willing to pay quick and professional graphics, and with Napkin you can deliver that value effortlessly. The key is to practice, build a portfolio, and market your skills. Start small, maybe with a few local clients, and then gradually scale up by offering your services on freelancing platforms. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next one.